Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to another vlog with your favorite girl. So today we're jumping right into it because we're on the way to the gym. This is kind of a little late. I was supposed to left the house, but I'm now leaving, so mind your business. Today's gonna be a quick little workout. It's arms and core. It's gonna be quick. It has to be quick because I'm going late. Like, I'm supposed to left the house 10:30, 11. It's 12:20. So how have you guys been? What's going on? What's new? I know y'all see the consistency. Yeah, don't play.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
We're here at the gym. Contemplating if I want to bring in my camera because I don't have that much time. And this is a lot of shit to carry. Like, who tried? Do you like my hair? Oh, look at my parking. Ooh, no. And I was gonna stay here too. Good enough. I'm not fixing that. But we're at Publix. We're running an errand. Not my errand, but we're getting watermelon and pineapple. Tell me why, y'all. I got this combo in my last vlog, I think. Yeah, in my last vlog. And she literally ate more than me. And she gonna say, oh, buy me the same thing. The mixed fruit. It was so good. Those two mixed together. That's it. I'm leaving. Why do all the bad bitches work at Publix? What's going on? Is there something that I don't know? I know he's looking at my parking like, ma'am, why did you park like this? I'm gonna let him go out first because I'm a little scared for how this is gonna turn out.
My mind didn't change and I still feel the same. What's a life with no fun? Please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours. We both know, we know they won't get you like I will. My only wish is I die real, cause that truth hurts and those lies heal. And you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still. Tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give her space out. Dealing with a heart that I didn't break. I'll be there for you, I will care for you. I keep thinking you just don't know. Trying to run from that, say you're done with that. On your face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready. When all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me. We'll change the place and we'll just go slow.
We tired of playing with your ass, nigga. Today your ass is gonna die, bitch. Say goodnight, motherfucker.
My shirt is wet. But we're getting subs.
Diarrhea, yes. Throwing up, no. But I have to lay down like this, wake me up on my...
Homemade queso. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. It's Saturday. I'm in the middle of taking my lashes off right now. Do another set. And today I need to do some hygiene shopping. Off the top of my head, I know I need some body scrubs, perfume, lippies, and that's all I can remember for now. These lashes should be falling off in a couple of seconds. What I do to take my clusters off is just good old Vaseline. The thing is not even out here no more. Gets it done every time. We need to get this hair together, baby. So we did a little half up, half down. Once I do my edges, it'll all come together. But yeah, let me get dressed. I don't know what to wear. I want to be cute, but it's cold, so it's like... I'm really forgetful, so I don't know if I told y'all what the plans are for today yet. We're gonna go to Dunkin' and grab matcha, because I've been wanting matcha. And then we're gonna go to Burlington and Marshall's. I think those are the only two places I would need to go to get the list of stuff that I need. It's like just kind of hygiene stuff, just a little list. So on the list, I have body scrubs, perfume, incense, candles, lip balms, and glosses. And then after we're all done, we're gonna grab some Chipotle because I'm hungry and I've been craving Chipotle. That's about it. Today's a chill day. It's a chillo Saturday. I was gonna go to the gym, but just leave me alone, alright? Thank you. You too. I have a tendency to pull off without trying my motherfucking drink. And this looks very disappointing, and I'm not driving off without trying it. I'm about to go in. I hope I find cute shit. I can't remember the last time I went perfume shopping. That vanilla, honey, brown sugar. And why the fuck does it look... Why the fuck it look deep in here? Go the fuck home. Okay, we're here. It sounds messy in here, girl. Like there's work. This one. That kind of looks like it could be good. Ooh. This is good. Let me get this. I was saying I think these robes are cuter. It's also cute. These two high tea. It's taking it, honey. I hope that's not the line. I hope that's not the line. Because if it is, everything's staying. Real shit. Let me go make sure that's not the line. This is damn near the back of the store. Up there, where you see the numbers, is checkout. And the line starts here. The robe was cute. And the scrub smelled good. But, that just ain't gonna work.
Do you love shopping at Marshalls? Do you find yourself daydreaming about designer deals or can't get enough of those fabulous brands? Well, we'd love you to come and work for us. Speak to a hiring manager about joining the team today.
My phone died, but the scrub that I had at Ross is literally here. So let's put this back. I was gonna get this. Oh my god, 12-year-old me would have ate this up. This smells so yummy. We're getting it. The Grove. It's cute though. This little Mickey. We're headed back to the car. I got everything I needed. My camera died, so Chipotle is our next stop. I don't think anyone's parked next to me anymore, so that's great. I never know what I want when I come in here. Full. I'm gonna get white rice and black beans.
And then can I have 2 vinaigrettes on the side?
Do you guys have steak?
Yeah.
Which one?
This is steak.
Oh, okay. Do you guys have the brisket? Is that
This
it
is
in the
brisket.
middle? Okay. I'm gonna get half the brisket and half steak, please.
No, please. Corn. Medium salsa.
Any queso?
No thank you.
Cheese.
Anything else?
I'm gonna get extra salsa and corn.
1603.